again. I've got my little, sorry, I won't do it too loud, my little Bluetooth speaker. And today, Alfie is still working on the Volvo. He's having a right difficult time with it. He has nicked all my torches. So I've got limited torches at the minute. He's nicked me good one, my ring one. Today, oh wait, come on, a transit wet belt. So I've just took the headlight out, let me show you. One, two, let's get that there. Pull it down, one, down, put that on there, scroll down. So I just took the headlight out, I took the screen wash filler neck out, I took the air intake tube out, and I've took the intercooler pipe off. It's about 10 minutes work. Let's see how we go. Oh, have a look at this. Before I start, I always carry out an inspection. How are your bottom ball joint bushes? Let me just put myself on. I'm here, everyone. Right, so I don't know whether you all know, but I might be slightly ADHD and off the scale a bit. So I've been very manic. I've been like, I've been trying not to swear, but I've been proper off the scale manic recently. My master tech's handed his notes in, and he does all the diags, and I'm like, oh no, I'm gonna have to get a diag tech. I can't get one. I'm like, no, I used to do this. So anyway, I just bought myself this new laptop, so I'm going to be using this. It's got Snapdragon on it, it's got a thingy, I've got my KTS 590 down there, I've got ThinkCar who are contacting me today, Alex from ThinkCar's contacted me today. Anyway, less of that. Look at the state of this, what the apprentice has done. Look at that. He's a scruff. Anyway, so he's going to clean this out. I've got WetBelt. My WetBelt consists of what have I done? Oh, it's headlights out, done. Up top, I'm going to do it a different way today. I'm going to see if we can find a quicker way. These covers are a bit of a pain. It's very rare you find these on them, but when you do find them, put them back. So, oil's out, coolant's out. I'll show you in a bit. Right, what is that? Is it recording? There we go. So anyway, I've just removed the sump. So I removed that cover. That was a bit of a pain today. That big silly thing. So that big silly thing goes up all over these. That was a bit of a pain. Move the sump. Hey, up here's George. George, I'm just recording.
Recording what?
I'm recording for my YouTube.
Really?
It's not that bad in there. That ain't bad. Prevention is better than a cure. There we go. Nice. There we go. Right, so, well, where's my torch? I've got my little laser tools torch today because Alfie's put mine somewhere. It's a cracking little thing. You unplug it and you plug it into a charging thingy on a computer. And there you go. Right. Engine mounts off. I've lowered the engine, well, top of the engine mounts off. I've lowered it. I'm going to go get my tools for the bottom pulley. Let's go. Da, 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 da. Warm in here. Two people having a brew over there. Walk over the tyres. Bent race car. Right. This one. And where is it? No. It's 26. 26. 26. Loving it. Probably most used tool. No, PSA's most used. PSA one. Right, let's go work. So it's just come up on my screen on the DJI here. Temperatures are low. It's not low, it's only like -1. Imagine sitting in an office with heating on, I'd be sick all day. Right, let me show you where I'm up to. Got me laser tools box. I tell you what, I've been flying this morning. Absolutely monstering. Got me tied up at the top. I'm going to take my tensioner off now. Tensioner? Where are you? Tensioner off. I'm going to take my tensioner off now. Tied up at the bottom. I love these. I can do these with my eyes shut. I've gone a quick way. I've not taken any of the top bits off, which I usually take off. Save myself, what, 10, 15 minutes in that respect. All I've done is just took my bits up a little bit more out of the way. Dead easy. And there you go. Love it when I get cleaning. Loving it. It's easy with two hands. So I'm going to put my camera down and clean it. Let me get me torch on there. Right. Let me set this down here. I don't want to drop my camera, do I? Done. No. Wrong way. Yeah, 1 second. Right, so put that there. Just watch this now. I'll try not to get my arms in the way, but this is how easy. So this is a laser tools kit. If you push the belt a tiny bit, there, it more or less goes straight on. Look at that. You see how easy that was? And then you push this one, and there you go. Onky dory. Pull these out. And I'll spin it twice and see how it is. Let's take us. And there you go. 2 quick turns of the crank. And they fit straight in. Lovely. There's my crank pulley. There you go. Pull this out. Bob's your uncle. Come on. It's all shiny. So in the pickup, all clean, spotless, double check, taken off, checked. That's all happy, more than happy with that. Clean my surface up, brake cleaned it all, and it's ready to go back on. Love it. It is easy this, you know. Have you done one, Cade?
I've done one.
Did you like it?
Yeah, I need to do another one, because otherwise I forget.
You'll never forget these. Oh. Oh. I'll sort that in a minute. I'll take it out, do it with a quarter jar ratchet.
Bosh.
Easy. It's a bit high up, this.
Hey?
It's a bit high up.
Ramp does go down, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, just checking.
I'll be standing on a pallet.
Alright. I was just checking, that's all.
Oh. That one.
Mate.
There we go. Such a nice little delicate gun. You got one of these, haven't you?
Hey?
Did you get one of these?
No, it's the same type of thing,
I
yeah.
got it from Tool Station in a deal. I like Tool Station.
Yeah?
Yeah, I got that one on my drill. 220 quid with 2 batteries. Right.
It's alright, isn't it, mate?
It's alright, mate.
It's alright, mate. Talk spec, mate. What's spec? 10 newton meters?
I'll give it to him in a minute. I'm going to find the extension.
Yeah.
And I got black seal everywhere. Right, turn it off. So, just to let you know, very few and far between have these covers on. Because people chuck them in the bin. It's not the most pleasant of cover to fit in, but when you get it in there and put it on, you just get that bit of satisfaction, don't you? Lovely jubbly. So, this is the day after doing the WetBelt. The WetBelt I completed like yesterday afternoon, and what I did is I leave my sealer, which I only use a Ford sealer on this because it is exceptional. I love the Wins black, but the Ford sealer itself is the one you use. This, it's great, love it, love it. So I only use it when I'm doing these ones. It guarantees it. So I put a couple of litres of antifreeze in it. I'm going to go and top it up now. I just put some 030D castor oil in it, and we'll see what goes on. Perfect. I love it, you know. Love it. Right. I'll turn the engine off. I'll check my oil level, and then I will put more coolant in it and I'll run it up to temperature. I might go for a test drive and remember to finish a video. Can't promise though. Oh, you won't believe it. I've just torqued up my wheel in front of the video and then put my thumb up and it looked dead good and like I've edited stuff. Didn't even press record. Anyway, torqued up. Never mind. Torch, where's my torch? Oh, we got the MOT torch. Right, so I've been on a test drive. I've just done 7 miles. Just checking for any leaks. Bone dry. Absolutely lush. We love it. There we go. Job done. Happy as lark. He actually just let me do that system. He's nice, isn't he? Urea, is that better? Can you see my face? Yeah. Do you ever do my chin? Please. Here is your AdBlue injector, 5.5 to 6 bar of pressure. To Echo P20